Good day, ma'am. My name is Jan Ian Ipulgar, but you can call me Ian for short. 21 years old. I live in Santa Lourdes, Barcelona, Sorsogon. My hobbies in life is listening music, playing basketballs, and playing online games. My memorable college journey is my teachers and my classmates. Because of them, I get strength to my study. I choose electrical technology because it is my dreams in life, and I want to be an electrical engineering someday. My favorite parts in studying electrical technologies is wiring, because when I'm in the situation of wiring, it feels me happy.